In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add a video from Canva to your Klaviyo email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Klaviyo emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. We log into Canva and select Video Templates. We select our video template, and we have the option to customize it. We choose to use it as provided. We download the video to our computer. We now move on to create our email. We now set up a new Klaviyo campaign in the normal way, adding all the usual details. Having selected our template, we drag a HTML block into position within the template where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content in Canva. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our Canva video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting the file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. We now choose how we are going to use the video, selecting the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our template. We return to our Klaviyo campaign and delete the line of text in the HTML pane. Next, we paste the HTML snippet into this source code pane. Our video is now in position within our template. We proceed to preview our video email to see how the video will play on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to edit our campaign and prepare for testing and sending in the normal way. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, check out the details of the Viewed Email platform free trial by scanning the QR code or visiting the link shown here.